OKX Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the OKX Wallet. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. In this video, I'll cover the key features, strengths, weaknesses, and who this wallet is best suited for to ensure you get all the information you need. OKX Wallet is a versatile multi-chain wallet developed by OKX, a leading cryptocurrency exchange. It supports a wide array of blockchains, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB Chain, Polygon, Solana, and many more. Designed as a non-custodial wallet, it provides users with complete control of their private keys, ensuring top-notch security and decentralization. The wallet is available as a browser extension, mobile app, and web app, making it accessible and convenient across various platforms. One of its standout features is the built-in access to decentralized applications, dApps, enabling users to interact seamlessly with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and other blockchain services. It also integrates a cross-chain bridge for easy asset transfers between supported networks, making it ideal for users managing multi-chain portfolios. The wallet includes a swap feature that supports token exchanges directly within the app, saving users from navigating between exchanges and wallets. Security is another strong suit of OKX Wallet. Being non-custodial, private keys are stored locally on your device, and the wallet offers features like biometric authentication and passphrase backup for additional protection. Furthermore, its integration with the OKX ecosystem provides a smooth transition for users of the OKX exchange, enabling effortless asset management. Among its strengths, OKX Wallet is known for its intuitive interface and extensive blockchain support, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Its multi-chain capabilities and dApp integration cater to users looking for an all-in-one crypto solution. However, OKX Wallet has a few downsides. Some users may find the browser extension less feature-rich compared to the mobile app, and as a product linked to a major exchange, it may not appeal to those strictly seeking decentralized options. Additionally, while the wallet supports many chains, it may lack advanced features like staking for some lesser-known networks. Overall, OKX Wallet is a robust and reliable choice for managing and interacting with cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains. It's particularly well-suited for users already involved with the OKX exchange or those seeking a feature-rich wallet with extensive multi-chain support. For more details or to try it out, check the links in the description.